Japanese soldiers storm a Chinese factory in search of Ip Man. When they fail to find him, they brutally assault his friend in an attempt to draw him out. Unable to endure the suffering, Ip Man finally steps forward. The Japanese general then confronts him, beating him mercilessly before holding him at gunpoint. He issues a chilling ultimatum. Ip Man must agree to fight him and his men in the ring in exchange for the freedom of his friends, or watch them be executed. Despite the overwhelming threat, Ip Man remains calm and unshaken. He vows to dismantle their bonds. Welcome to USA Fight Recaps. This is the story of an unbeatable master in China, a man no one could defeat. Many skilled fighters stepped forward to challenge him, but every single one fell. Even warriors who traveled from afar, defeating masters along the way. Were completely dismantled the moment they faced him. His name became legendary, praised across the land for his unmatched Wingshun. But peace never lasts. A nation once filled with pride and honor is suddenly drowned in silence. The streets grow empty, the people grow desperate, and fear begins to rule every corner. Then, the unthinkable happens. The Japanese occupiers begin forcing Chinese fighters into brutal battles. all for a single bag of rice. Yet among the suffering, one man remains. Calm, quiet, and dangerously unstoppable. He doesn't fight for fame. He fights because he has no choice. As innocent lives are pushed to the edge, one name begins to spread in whispers: Ip Man. They push him too far. And in a moment that will shake them to their core, he steps forward, not just to survive, but to make a statement. What follows isn't just a fight. It's a symbol of resistance, a moment that would ignite hope and inspire a nation. This is the fight that changed everything. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're new to our channel. You can support us by sending a gift or super thanks. We love you.